to 121 days in the Bear County Jail under 1244. There's an $800 fine. All right, the court is calling 2025 CR 011999 State versus Leon Reed Jr. Thank you. We're going to have parties announced for the record.
Renee Munoz on behalf of Mr. Reed.
Are there any applications?
No, Judge.
And are you Mr. Reed?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor, that's correct.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Reed, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading? Oh, counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Your Honor, state would move to waive the enhancement allegation and proceed just on the underlying charge of less than a gram.
No objection.
All right, Mr. Reed, did you review court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
You're charged with possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram. That's a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses. The state would call in the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
In my opinion, he does.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
That is correct, Judge.
Mr. Reed, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and reentry. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed to 121 days in the Bear County Jail under 1244. There's an $800 fine. There is taken in consideration 2025 AL 008841. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
No, Judge.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead?
No contest.
State any evidence.
Yes, Your Honor, state offers states exhibit 1 in all attachments, and I also have that rejection form as well.
State, you may be excused.
Judge.
Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses? The state would call in the right to remain silent.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that the defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. After reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
We're asking the court to follow the negotiated plea bargain agreement. My client did acknowledge that he made some bonehead questionable decisions. He was dealing with some homelessness at the time, and was maybe looking to get some pillows and things like that to sleep on. However, putting himself at risk for arrest, being in someone's yard. He's deeply sorry about what occurred and willing to learn from it, and does not want to return to this courtroom. He says it's a little bit chilly in here, so he does not want to go through that again, Judge, for all those reasons.
All right. The court will sentence you to 121 days in the Bear County Jail under 1244. There's an $800 fine, time and money to run concurrently. Take in consideration 2025 AL 008841. Give you credit for any time served. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Norman, yes. We're off the record. How old are you?
44.
44?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Do you want to spend the rest of your life in prison or in jail?
No, ma'am.
Then you need to stop doing this. This whole thing, from what I've read in the police report, there's zero excuses for it. Sometimes we'll say, oh, I did this because I'm addicted to drugs. There's still really no excuse. It's you took certain actions. So whatever is going on in your life, if you need help with drug addiction, there are plenty of places that will help you, but nobody can help you if you do not want to help yourself. If you want to spend the rest of your life at the Bear County Jail or at the prison, guess what? There will always be room to accommodate you. If they're at the Bear County Jail, if that jail only is allowed to hold 1,000 people by law, guess what? If they need to put 2,000 people at the Bear County Jail, they're going to put 2,000 people at the Bear County Jail. The prison, if the prison legally can only hold 10,000 people at the prison, do you think they're going to say, oh, well, let's not put anybody else in prison because we have 10,000 people here and no one else will fit? They're going to make accommodations for you. And there is always money in everybody's budget to build another prison if need be, to keep people at the prison. And you know, when people are at the jail and at prison saying it's too cold, nobody cares. Oh, I only got 2 minutes to shower. Nobody cares. Oh, guess what? They're doing laundry and I need the detergent for sensitive skin. Nobody cares. Oh, there's a brown recluse spider at the jail. Nobody cares. And that's just the way it is. I'm not in charge of at the jail. Do I care? Yes. I had a client who was at the Bear County Jail once, got bit by a brown recluse spider. I go visit them at the jail. They have a hole in their leg. I'm like, what's going on here? And guess what? They got bit by a spider. Do you think they closed the jail down and said, oh, we're going to have to close this jail down. Let's move them to a nice hotel or a budget 6 or whatever. Let's get somebody to come over and fumigate it. No. So you have choices to make. If you want to spend the rest of your life at the prison or the jail, there's always room to accommodate you. Good luck to you.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Take care.